Big White here. It's Creative Destruction. We're here with a very special video about how to get some serious tinnitus relief. You ready for this? This is what you've been waiting for this whole time. So on the back of your head, we got this thing called the occipital nerve. When your ears are ringing, you know how it goes. When your ears are ringing, take your hands like this, put it right back here, and then you're going to tap this nerve. You're just going to keep tapping it like that. It's going to turn the volume down on that ringing. Maybe it's going to be 10%, maybe it's going to be 20%, but you're going to find some relief. And it's going to give you that control that you've been needing for your tinnitus. So if you have ringing ears, check it out. It's going to help you a lot. God bless.